Millennials, is it true the news says that we can't retire, we can't become financially independent because of this crazy economic turmoil that has just started ever since we got out of college? I graduated in 2008 and jobs were slim and it kept going from there, and I went into an industry that just went layoff after layoff after layoff. You know what I learned from all that? What they say? That economic turmoil will always be going on and you need to be prepared for it. So what did I do? I saved my money. Every time I got a promotion, if I did get one or not, I reduced my expenses. I found ways to save. I had friends going on like lavish vacations, leveling up, buying new cars, and flashing all their like fancy clothing and all this stuff. And I did not do that. Instead, I saved my money and I invested it in low-cost index funds. And that has yielded me financial security, whereas my friends are trying to scramble and figure out when they get laid off if they need to go live back home.